Good day everyone. I am Jeryme Mina from BSc 2B Mathematics. For today's video is talking about the greatest common divisor or GCD. Before we start our discussion, let's read this quotation. Things are equal to same things are also equal to one another. First, what is the greatest common divisor or GCD? The greatest common divisor or GCD, also called the greatest common factor of two numbers, is the largest numbers that divides them both. Example, what is the greatest common factor of number 18 and 30? The divisor of number 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. And the divisor of number 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 15, and 30. The largest number that appear on every list is 6. So this is the greatest common factor. Also, greatest common divisor is used for a variety of applications in number theory, particularly in modular arithmetic and thus encryption algorithms such as RSA. It is also used for simple applications such as simplified fraction. What is algorithm? Algorithm, a set of steps that are followed in order to solve a mathematical problem or to complete a computer process. In solving of greatest common divisor or GCD, the GCD of may be conducted by simply listing the factor of each number and determining the largest one. For instance, since 2 is a factor of 26, 26 divided by 2 is equal to 13. 13 is also a factor. Another way of solving the greatest common factor or another way of solving the greatest common divisor is the Euclidean Algorithm. First, what is Euclidean Algorithm? A method of finding the greatest common divisor of two numbers by dividing the larger by the smaller by the remainder, and so on, until exact division is obtained, whence the greatest common divisor is the exact divisor, and that we call Euclidean algorithm. Example, what is the greatest common divisor of 4 and 30? First, put the largest to be dividend and the smaller to be divisor. So 30 is the greatest or the largest. So 30 is our dividend and 4 is the smaller, that is also a divisor. Now, let's divide. 4 divided by 30 is equal to 7 and the remainder is 2. Now, when we have a remainder, the remainder is going to be the divisor and the divisor will become the dividend. So 2 will become the divisor and 4 will become the dividend. And let's divide again. 2 divided by 4 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 4 times 4 is equal to 0. When you get 0, you stop. And the last divisor is your answer. So the GCD or the greatest common divisor is 2. Another example. What is the greatest common factor of 54 and 888? That is the same process. The bigger is the dividend and the smaller is the divisor. So 54 is our divisor, and 888 rather is our dividend. Now let's divide. 54 divided by 888, or 54 divided by 88, is equal to 1. 1 times 54 is equal to 54. 54 or 88 minus 54 is equal to 34. Bring down 8. 34 will become 348. 348 divided by 54 is equal to 6. 6 times 54 is equal to 324. Now, 348 minus 324 is equal to 24. What? We have a remainder. What we are going to do? The remainder will become the divisor, and the divisor will become the dividend. So means 24 is the remainder, will become the divisor, and the 54 is the divisor, will become the dividend. So 24 divided by 54 is equal to 2. 2 times 48. 2 times 24 is equal to 48. 54 minus 48 is equal to 6. Let's continue. 6 is the divisor, or the remainder rather. 6 will become the divisor, and 24 will become the dividend. So let's divide again. 6 divided by 24 is equal to 4. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. 24 minus 24, 0. In Euclidean Algorithm says when we get 0 remainder, the last divisor gets 0 remainder are also the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor of 54 and 888 is 6, because 6 is the last divisor that get the remainder is equal to 0. And that's for all for this video. Thanks for watching. Keep safe and God bless us all.